Ayo Yogang, what's poppin'? It's us, the Chobani chicks.
We can do that one first.
So this is not a Chobani, sadly. Fake.
Fage or something.
Fage, something. Okay, it's a crossover vanilla Greek yogurt with brownie bites.
This is a Chobani. Strawberry banana on the bottom. Okay, ready? Yeah, just go like that. Ready? Brownie, never bring a spoon. So I never had that, right? Oh, okay.
Oh, I got a brownie stuck in it.
Oh my god, there's a spider!
Oh my god, kill it. Is it dead?
Gun tattooed. Oh. Okay, that was not good. That was warm.
How do you not like this? This is my favorite.
Am I even in the freaking video?
Yes, you are.
Oh my god, are we done? Oh, whoa! Okay, ready?
Get off of me.
There's like stuff. Oh, it's strawberry banana on the bottom.
Ew, there's actual banana and strawberries?
Yeah, it's
That's
healthy.
disgusting.
No fake fruit.
Yeah, there is.
Yeah, you
There's no
actually
PDA
know the
on our
camera.
profile. Stop doing PDA.
Okay, I'm not doing PDA with myself. That's
I think I
impossible.
stirred it. Okay. Okay, ready?
I actually really don't.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
I'm not sticking this all in my mouth. That's actually not that bad.
No, it's not. I actually like it.
Wait, I want some of it.
Nope. Yeah, you can try it. It tastes like those Dora yogurts.
I actually like it.
Oh yeah, that's actually really good.
It tastes like those Dora yogurts.
I mean, it's a little sour aftertaste, but
I mean, I would like it better if it was colder.
yeah, but it was in
those,
my,
yeah, they're all
considered-
warm.
It was my own choice. Okay.
Oh wait, we can do a composting video.
No, that's so
Okay.
dumb.
Um,
Why would you do a combo?
Because watch, we can just dump it out.
I just watched you spit. You were like,
Shut up.
okay. I feel
You
like
wait, I got it on your phone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, are you done?
Oh, right.
Right. Well, we can get half a brownie.
Stop.
And
I think we're done.
whatever you
Okay,
like.
stop it.
Ew.
Okay, I'm stopping.